So let's turn your back to the first step. You can use the handrail on the right, and I'm just going to have you sit on the second step. So you're going to kind of sit way back there. Perfect. We'll keep your feet so that your heels are against the first step. Can you slide forward and sit down one step? So keep your heels back. Don't let your feet slide forward. Hang on a second.
Oh, you want
yeah, there you go.
Okay.
So the heels are totally back.
I finally heard you. Ooh.
So what do you feel? Where do you feel the tightness?
Here.
Yeah, yeah. So that's the surgical side. That's totally normal. Let's spread your feet apart just a little bit further. And let's just work on trying to bring your body forward. Sit right on that front edge. And if you feel like you can let your bottom touch and then go back up, it's almost like you're doing a tricep dip. Let's do a couple of those. Let's do 5 of them. 1, 2, 3. On the last one, just sit on the bottom step. Stay right there. We're gonna stay in that position. We're gonna let that knee stretch. I know you kind of inched away from the bottom. That's okay. Can you reach your hands on your right shin and pull it back just a little bit? Yeah.
I can't pull it back.
Okay, just stay right there then. Do you feel it stretching?
Oh yeah.
Can you do like a little butterfly movement so your feet stay where they are but the knees go out and then come back? Just like that, just like that. Let's do about 10 of them. That's gonna help mobilize the knee, the hip, the ankle. We'll get 2 more. All right, use your hands, lift yourself back up to the second step. Slide your heels back again. Spread your feet again. And let's try another set of those little tricep dips where you bring your bottom down. 1, 2. I mean, that's already more range of motion than you had in the first set. Do you feel any different?
I feel looser in here.
It's definitely looser.
Yeah.
Go ahead, let's do 5 more. 1. Your heel is closer to the step, and you're getting
back.
Yeah, and you're getting lower with each one. All right, take a break. Let me see you stand up, and we'll come out of there.
Does that bother your bicep at all?